Pull the vehicle over. Pull the vehicle over, will put you into the ground. Stop the vehicle where it's at!
There's an update.
Speed 30 miles an hour, approaching fast track.
How's your traffic looking?
Moderate. Give me 33 traffic vehicles turning into fast track right now.
Through traffic, it's about 48, fast track.
Turn off the vehicle right now! Turn off the vehicle right now! I want to see your hands! Both your hands! Both your hands! Do not move! You make any movement, that'll be your last mistake you're going to make. Do not move. One at gunpoint. One at gunpoint.
Gunpoint.
Go to 3. Say to see what you got until I get there.
Driver, with your left hand, open up the door. Won't you unlock it then for me? I ain't worried. I got my gun on you. We're all good here. Step out. Okay. Go ahead. Take it off. Take it off. Try something.
Sir,
Step out.
I have my 3
Who else is in the vehicle?
I have my trying to talk. I have my 3 kids in the car.
Okay.
And the reason why I did not stop is because I'm in the middle of nowhere and my husband tell me not.
Your excuse means nothing to me right now. I don't want to hear it.
You asked me.
That good. Good.
You asked me a question.
Cool. Awesome. You want to turn around for me?
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. All right.
I have my 17-year-old, my 10-year-old,
Okay.
and my 1-year-old.
Cool.
I've never been pulled over like this before.
You don't know how a traffic stop works?
Yes.
You don't know that a vehicle's behind you with license silence for a mile. You're not going to move over?
Sir, are you?
Stop.
I'm pregnant, sir. I'm 4 months pregnant.
Okay.
The only reason.
How am I handling right here right now? I have you in handcuffs, right?
I know that.
Okay, cool.
The only reason why I'm trying to tell you, the only reason why I didn't stop, I'm a married, educated woman.
Okay.
With a master's degree. I swear, Lord knows I'm not doing. I was only not because it's dark out, and I have 3 kids with me. I'm pregnant, and I did not want them to feel uncomfortable.
Cool.
That's why I put my hazard lights on.
And then all that is shady. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing right now.
That's understandable.
And now I got them coming. Because it's a big old thing you had to make of it.
I did not mean to do it.
Cool. Awesome.
You can check everything, anything you want to check.
I am. I'm going to. But I wish I would have done that over there. I could have given you a warning for speed and get you on your way.
Absolutely. I'm just telling you why.
I don't care about why. Just shut up.
Yes, sir.
About the why.
Yes, sir.
Don't care about the why.
I'm sorry I made you mad.
5548, one detained. There's 3 kids in there. Just check on me, see they're okay. What is your first name?
Ebony, E-B-O-N-Y.
Ebony?
Mm-hmm.
Last name?
Washington.
Middle name? First initial?
No, I was just saying. I thought
Okay.
you were saying.
What's your date of birth? Morgan Road. That's when my lights went on from there to here. Okay. Huh?
That's good, good, ain't it? Did you hear the lights? Or did you see the lights?
5548, 1065, name, date of birth.
10-4, go ahead.
First name Ebony, Echo, Bravo, Oscar, November, Yankee. Middle name, last name Washington, like the state. Date of birth of Y'all doing okay? Okay, we'll get you on your way in a minute.
5548, handcuffs, $429, entering number 3.
So that was the only reason. And I'm sorry.
Well, you didn't think he was a cop?
No, I knew he was a cop. I wasn't not stopping because I thought it was someone else. I just wanted to be in light. I've never gotten pulled over like that in the dark. And especially with my kids in the car. I just did not want to be in the dark on the side of the road with my kids. I wanted to just make it to this gas station. So I slowed down, I turned on my hazards, and I just was coming to the gas station. That's it. I live in Jacksonville. My daughter just got their hair done, and I was going back home. My husband's waiting on me. That's it. I'm not lying, Lord knows I'm not. So, and I apologize. It was not the best decision. So,
Well, especially you're from Jacksonville. What do you think would happen if you done it in Jacksonville?
well, I don't know.
You would have had about 15 cars behind you.
I'm usually not even out this late. My husband's probably gonna be mad because they're just finished getting their hair done, and I'm just literally leaving home. I meant leaving there to go home. But I mean, I have no.
You ever been arrested anything before?
No, I've never been around. I'm an educated woman, a teacher. I have a master's degree. I've been teaching for over 10 years. I have my own business.
5540 Bradford. 5540 Bradford. Can you run David for a previous traffic infraction for that driver, please?
Never even seen the jail. I swear to God. If I'd have known this was, if I'd have knew that
What
just,
did you think?
I
I mean, you said you're educated, right? Master's
Yes,
degree.
and
What did you think the outcome was going to be? You had his license irons on. You failed to stop.
My PA was on too, yelling at you.
You didn't decelerate speed any.
I did decelerate. Decelerate me, decrease my speed, right? Yes, sir. I was on 55, and it was 65 at the time. No, I wasn't going 55 when the lights came off. I was going 70.
I was going to pull you over because I got you doing 75 at that light back there,
Yes,
okay? It goes from a 75 to a 55 real quick, easy enough. I was going to pull you over, give you a warning, check your license, and
Yes,
get you on your way. I started having my lights on since then.
Yes.
Since here, and that's about
I'm
over a
not
mile.
denying
No, shh, I'm talking, okay?
Yes,
You're
sir.
done talking, okay? From there to there, license sirens over and over again. Yes, you maintained your speed. You're at 60 miles an hour the whole way, still not pulling over. That's suspicious. That's very suspicious. That has me concerned. That has everyone concerned, okay?
Sorry.
So that's what's, like I said, it was going to be a simple warning. Now we're in this debacle right now because you don't know how a traffic stop works. You've never seen enough TV shows, or you have the conscience to even think that you need to pull your vehicle over regardless of you being scared. I understand. There's a there's a whole facade around law enforcement, traffic stops. I get that. I understand. But you being scared is what's got you in this mess right now.
Yes.
Versus you being confident of knowing how traffic stops. Yeah. Okay.
I was moving getting here. He's out here by himself.
I understand. I'm not arguing with anybody. I'm not disagreeing with
Good.
I'm not saying I wasn't speeding at the time, but when he turned his lights on, I did decelerate. I did not go faster. I slowed down. I put my hazard lights on. That was why I put my hazard lights on.
They're all one hill.
So you've been pulled over before?
Like, for a ticket?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was probably...
It was daylight. There was places you could go to. You felt more safer.
Yes.
Okay. I'm glad it was convenient for you at that time, not for me. I'm going to mic her and get her out of here if that's on you. Put a code one on it. Yes.
I'm sorry.
You're going to walk to your car. Come on. Can I open up this door right here?
Yes.
I'm going to take these cuffs off you. I want you to stand right here next to your vehicle so you can have contact with your children. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay. You're not getting in the vehicle. You're not touching the steering wheel. You're just going to stand right there. Keep them calm. I'm going to go ahead and write your citation for you and get you on your way. Sound good? Awesome. Good? Yeah. Cool. All right. Thanks for coming.
Yeah. See ya. I'll see you.
Okay.
Vehicle information for Y01CB
554010, man.
2018 CHRYBN whose tag is valid is registered to a 39-year-old female named Ebony Washington and is insured by Garrison Property and Casualty Insurance.
5548, 1480, 1408.
Ebony Washington is a 39-year-old black female who has a valid Class E operator license.
Eighty-five 48.
Good.
10-4, just 1043. We're continuing 1033 traffic.
1066. Hey, buddy.
Good, baby?
I'm good. You good, Sarge? You need to talk? Okay, Ms. Ebony, here's your citation for speed, 75 and a 55, what I originally pulled you over there. I didn't give you a ticket for anything else. Okay, walked away with 3 tickets, so I'm giving you a ticket for speed. Okay?
I'm not, no argument here.
Okay.
I know you don't want to hear me talk about it. I just want to apologize again.
Okay.
I kid you not. I have no reason to lie. I swear I was only not... I know you don't want to hear it.
Apologize.
I know you don't want to hear it.
Apologize for yourself for not thinking. Okay,
Well,
how about that?
Definitely that, but
Cool.
I'm still...
Let's go over your citation. You have 3
Okay.
weeks to pay it, okay? Online at the courthouse or my parents if you want to, okay? 266, okay? 30 days to pay it.
Okay.
You have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay. You're a mother, you have kids, you gotta get them home. Let's be
Thank
done
you.
with this today, okay?